Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Onkyo Bluetooth. Connecting your audio device to your Onkyo receiver via Bluetooth is a straightforward process that allows for wireless music streaming. First, ensure both your Onkyo receiver and the device you wish to connect are powered on and ready. For optimal connection, keep your Bluetooth device within a range of approximately 3 to 15 meters, or about 10 to 48 feet, from your receiver. To begin, you need to put your Onkyo receiver into pairing mode. Locate and press the dedicated Bluetooth button on the front panel of your receiver or on its remote control. Once pressed, the Bluetooth indicator light on the receiver will start flashing, indicating that it is actively searching for devices. The display on your receiver might also show a message like "Now Pairing" or its specific model name. With your Onkyo receiver in pairing mode, it's time to connect your audio source. Go to your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled device and ensure its Bluetooth function is turned on. Then, search for available Bluetooth devices in its settings. You should see your Onkyo receiver's model name appear in the list. Select it to initiate the connection. If prompted for a password, simply enter 0000 to complete the pairing. If you encounter any connection difficulties, try restarting both your Onkyo receiver and your Bluetooth device. Sometimes, clearing previous pairing information from both devices and attempting the process again can resolve issues. Also, be aware that other 2.4 GHz wireless devices, like microwave ovens or cordless phones, can cause interference. Your Onkyo receiver can usually remember up to 8 or 10 paired devices for convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.